In earlier videos, I explained the laws of exponents and many questions based on the laws. So, more examples based on all those laws. First is, what is multiplied to this minus 6 power minus 1 so that product becomes 9 power minus 1. So, let required number be x. Okay, so minus 6 power minus 1 into x equals to 9 power minus 1. So 1 upon minus 6 into x equals to 1 upon 9. Power is negative, so number will become reciprocal. You have to write here x power minus 1 equals to 1 upon x. So x equals to minus 6 upon 9. 3 2s are 3 3s are. So value of x is minus 2 upon 3. So required number is minus 2 upon 3. It's your answer. Now second question, by what number this be divided so that quotient is 9 upon 4 power minus 2. Okay, so solution, let required number be number x. So this is divided. So minus 3 upon 2 power minus 3 divided by x so that your quotient be 9 upon 4 power minus 2. Okay, it will become 2 upon minus 3 power 3. Now multiply, it will become reciprocal. Okay, then 4 upon 9 power 2. So we have to find value of x, means 8 upon minus 27 into 1 upon x equals to 4 4s are 16, 9 9s are 81. So 8 upon minus 27 into 81 upon 16 equals to x. Okay, this number will transpose to left side and this will transpose to right side to become reciprocal. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 9 3s are 27, 9 9s are 81, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So our answer will value of x become minus 3 upon 2. It's our answer. Okay, so if minus 3 upon 2 power minus 3 divided by x, it becomes, quotient will be this. Okay, next question, if 5 power 2x plus 1 divided by, whole number is divided by 25 equals to 125, find value of x. Solution, 5 power 2x plus 1 divided by 25 equals to 125. So 5 power 2x plus 1 divided by 5 power 2 equals to 5 power 3. Okay, so 5 power 2x plus 1 equals to 5 power 3 into 5 power 2. Base are same and they are multiplying, so powers will add up. So 5 power 2x plus 1 equals to 5 power 5. Okay, now both sides, left side and right side, bases are equal. So they will be cancelled and their power will be equal. To 2x plus 1 equals to 5, 2x equals to 5 minus 1, So x equals to 4 upon 2. So value of x is 2. So our answer is 2. Now more question based on exponents. Fourth, write in standard form. 2,73,000 and we have to write in standard form. So to write any number in standard form, there should be only one digit on the left of a decimal. Okay, so how to write this number in decimal form? We will count from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2.73 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, I have counted 5 digits here and there should be a point. So it will become 2.73 into 10 to the power 5. If you will solve it, 2 0 will come in denominator and 2 0 will be cancelled with this. So 3 0 will come. Okay, so no need to solve. You have to write only this answer. In this also 345 into 10 to the power 5. So it will become 3.45 into 10 to the power. I can write 345 as 3.45 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 5. So 3.45 into 10 to the power 7. Okay. So it's your answer. Okay. So look this question. 0.0000000123. Now in these two I was counting digits from right to left, and in this I am going left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So it will become 1.23 into 10 to the power minus 7. So I am going left to right, so power will be negative. And when I will go right to left, the power will be positive. In this question 168 this, so it will become 1.68 into 10 to the power 3, 3617, 10 to the power 7. I am writing one more question with the negative, that is fifth. 0.0004235. Okay, so it will become 4.235. Okay, and how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer will be 4.235 into 10 to the power minus 5. Okay. Now next question is write in usual form. So you have to write this number in this form. Okay. So I am solving this one. 374 upon 100, that is 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 5. Then it will become numerator. So 374 into 10 to the power 5 minus 2. So it will become 374 into 10 to the power 3. So your answer will be 374 and 3 zeros. Okay. Now next question is this. So here 1679 upon 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 9. Now powers will subtract. So 1679 into 10 to the power 6. So your answer will be 1679, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Okay. Now in this question it is your answer. Now 6.32 into 10 to the power minus 4. So 632 upon 10 to the power 2. Okay, 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. I am bringing 10 to the power minus 4 downwards. So 632 and it will become 10 to the power 6. 2 plus 4, 6. So it will become 632 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your answer will be 0.12363 3 zeros and 632. 0.000632. It will be your answer. Now next question. 1596 divided by 10 to the power 3. I am bringing it here 10 to the power 6. So it will become 1596 upon 10 to the power 9. Okay. So your answer will be 0.0000159. Means on the right side of this decimal there should be 9 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's your answer.